Alrighty, so welcome to the next video. So within this series I'm going to be rating all of my old artwork and basically putting things forward with a score of what I think it deserves. So we're looking at composition, lighting, materials, performance and cinematic within this work. So this particular work is from 2019 and this is my show reel of all the projects that I have basically made within that time frame. So I'm going to go ahead without further ado and I'm just going to go and play the video for you guys. I have no clue whether it's got copyrighted music on it, so I will amend this as needed. So here we go, 2019, self-taught for 2+ years. And we have the pirate boat. It's not bad design actually. Very nice. Could do some with some texture. We have horses. Wow, that was a very quick pass by. Red phone boxes. How fast are people wanting to read this? Horse animating. I didn't like this animation. If you guys have seen my review in the prior video, it's not the best. 3 out of 5 rating. Oscillating tunnel. I feel that this could be contrasted a little bit more. And shading definitely could be added. But for what it was at the time, I think it's okay. It's not great. It was kind of a concept, kind of an experimentation with what Blender was capable of. Let's see the next one, shall we? This is the Greater Manchester Tram. It's not bad. It's a little bit low-key. Zombie apocalypse. It's cool. Oh, this is the Manchester Central Library. I spent hours doing this. Yes. Could I improve this work? Absolutely. Yes, I think that I do a little bit better work nowadays than I did in the past. Oh, for sure. Yeah, I mean, it's doing my job for me. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I gotta give this rating about 4 out of 5 because I think that some textures could have been added. The video could have been slowed down a little bit, but you can kind of see what's going on. To a point. We've got the horse sculpting right here. These look okay. The horse animation that I did, if you guys have seen that on the prior video, which is this one. Not this one, sorry. Yes. I feel that the horse doesn't have a neck. And I feel like it's a little bit too chubby. And then we have this moment where the tail doesn't follow the horse. You know, so could I